In today's video, we will be unboxing the Infinix Hot 30 AI. This is the most affordable phone from Infinix. It's a very good phone that has a very good processor and very good storage, and also is a sleek and fashionable phone. The device has a 6.6-inch IPS LCD 90Hz display that supports a screen resolution of 720 by 1612 pixel. It has a Unisoc T606 processor, powers the phone with Mali G57 MPI GPU. The phone has a 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. It runs on Android 12 and has a 5000 mAh battery with 18 watts fast charging. It also has a dual rear camera setup with a 13 megapixel primary camera, a depth lens camera, and an 8 megapixel front camera. The Infinix Hot 30i comes in diamond white, glacier blue, and Villa black color. The phone sensors include a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, acceleration sensor, rotation sensor, and a proximity sensor. Also, it has a compass sensor. The good thing about this phone is that it supports 4G network. It has a large battery, supports fast charging. It has a USB 2.0 Type-C port and has a large display. Also, the phone is very affordable because with at least 17,000 Kenya shillings, you can get the phone. The disadvantage of this phone is that it has a 720 pixel. It's not the best resolution on the smartphone. It has a low power processing unit, but for the cost, it's good. It has a basic camera system. The good thing about this phone, it is based on specifications and affordability. It will do just fine for basic functions expected of a smartphone within the price range. Thanks for watching this review. See you in my next video.